Have you heard of the dark web? It looks kind of overwhelming and scary at the same time from the way it sounds. The internet can be divided into three parts, which are the surface web, deep web and dark web. The surface web is everything that we can search through search engines such as Google or Firefox. The deep web refers to all the pages which are not indexed, which means that most search engines won't return them to you after a search. Their crawlers don't see these pages, making them de facto invisible to these search engines. This means that in order to access one of these pages, you need to either know their exact address, link, or to click on another link once you get on the deep side of the web. The dark web is a layer even deeper within the deep web, technically also part of the deep web, but focused on illegal activities and services. It can be pretty gruesome. Some people call it the place where humanity's darkest side surfaces. The dark web is part of the internet that isn't visible to search engines and requires the use of an anonymizing browser called Tor to be accessed. No one really knows the size of the dark web, but most estimates put it at around 5% of the total internet. Criminals exploit dark web anonymity to sell guns, drugs, pornography or illegal services such as hackers and hitmen as well. Governments and the UN on the other side also use it to protect political dissidents and hunt criminals. If your data was leaked in a data breach, this is where it will put up for sale. The dark web is not impenetrable. White hat hackers and law enforcement have made inroads tracking down criminals, including Ross Ulbricht, an American former drug trafficker and darknet market operator, who created and ran the Silk Road website, an underground marketplace primarily for drugs, from 2011 until his arrest in 2013. Silk Road was shut down by the FBI in 2014. The dark web has flourished thanks to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that enables two parties to conduct a trusted transaction without knowing each other's identity. Bitcoin has been a major factor in the growth of the dark web, and the dark web has been a big factor in the growth of Bitcoin. Nearly all dark web commerce sites conduct transactions in Bitcoin or some variant. Only cryptocurrency is allowed on the dark web to hide identities and make it impossible for the police or bank to track any illegal transaction. One thing to be noted is not all the dark web is used for illicit purposes despite its ominous-sounding name. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.